All right, so now we're going to be looking at the unit circle, and it says use the unit circle to evaluate the 6 trig functions of theta equals 270. So it tells you that 270 is right here, and it tells you that you have 0 and -1. Now, we have our x, we have our y, and then we don't have our r. Now, our r is our radius, which our r should be 1, correct? Okay, so let's go ahead and check that just in case. We have 0 squared plus -1 squared, equals r squared. That's what we're working with, radius. Okay, 0 plus 1 equals r squared, square root it. Our radius is 1. How come it's not a -1? It's a positive length. It is a length value. You can't have a -1 length. Think, can you be -1 foot tall? No, you can be 1 foot tall or more than that. So we checked that it was 1, which is good because, you know, in the unit circle, your radius is 1, but I just wanted to prove it once again using the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to write out our 6 trig functions. We've got sine theta, which is our y value, and that's just -1. Our cosine theta is our x value, which is 0. Our tangent is y over x, which is, so y over x, which is 1 over 0, which that is impossible, and so we say that's undefined, and you can shorten it by saying UND. Now we're looking at cosecant, that's the reciprocal of sine. So if we have a -1 over 1 and we flip it, well, we still get 1 over -1, or, you know, -1 is your answer. A secant is 1, so it's flipping it. So we did have 0 over 1 technically. So now we have 1 over 0, which is undefined. And then cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent, which is y over x. That's 0 over 1, which 0 over 1 is 0. These two are not the same, they are different, and those are our 6 trig functions. Hopefully you're getting the hang for this. You know, it's the same Pythagorean theorem, locate the lengths, you know, make sure you have all 3 parts, and then write out your functions. So it's going to follow that path beyond this unit, and if you move into pre-calc, it's going to be the same thing.